sell online with Bigcommerce. Okay, so whether you are just starting out or an established high volume business, our e-commerce platform has the factors you will need to empower power your online growth. Start your free trial. So start your trial today and get 1 month free when you pick your plan. The simple way to tackle the complexity of selling online. Okay, so start a trial, launch a store, grow your business. Okay, so build your store the caters to your unique business needs with the design, tools, factors, and support to get you up and running. And launch your story. Design the customized, beautiful storefront with powerful features and expert e-commerce support along the way. Build your brand with a restaurant dizzy gain to jumpstart growth from our very first sale owners. Meet the essential tools designed to fuel growth. Okay, so build, run the grow a better online business that's up and running in less time with less cost with strength. Get a e-commerce platform won't hold your back today or in the factors with your source of the best factors and functionally to showcase your product and manage your business. Okay, so simply e-commerce management take the ghost out of messaging your uh, new or going online business. So thank you everyone. Okay, so success a sweet for candy after bling business website. So grade the strain and build store today.